Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth, and in this third video in the series, I'll be showing small businesses and organisations within the Blue Mountains of New South Wales how to schedule Instagram from your desktop using the new feature that Facebook Instagram have developed in 2020. See you inside the video. Thank you. So in the first video, we looked at pinned posts and COVID-19 special posts that Facebook gives us. And then in the second video, we looked at boosting that post onto both Facebook and Instagram using the ad manager ad platform so that more people would see your updates about whether you're open or not and what services you're offering during the coronavirus period. In this third video, I want to show you how to schedule posts. Do you say schedule or schedule? How to schedule posts using the new Creator Studio from Facebook for both Facebook and Instagram. And this is a built-in tool that has scheduling and other features for both Facebook and Instagram that Facebook provides us. Facebook obviously also owns Instagram. So what we do is we go to business.facebook.com/Creator Studio, one word. And in the Creator Studio, I can see here both a Facebook and an Instagram logo at the top of the page. And I can click Create Post here. I can add a story, upload a video, go live, post videos across pages. And then I have all of my pages that I admin, and I can create collections of Facebook pages that I admin. You probably only have one page, but on the off chance that you have more than one, you can manage them all here in Creator Studio. But what we're going to do is click on Instagram. And when we click on Instagram, the bar at the top will change and you'll have an option to create a post or create IGTV, which is Instagram's version of YouTube Live or Facebook Live. When I click on create a post, I write my text in. Hi there. I don't know. What would you say on an Instagram post? Here's my new, gardening something. Do you have a gardening business? That might be useful. And it's giving you some ideas here about what hashtags to use. Whoops, that's wrong. Gardening, blah, blah. You can see why I put this is a training account on both my Facebook page and my Instagram account, because every so often I forget and actually publish things that say blah, blah on them. Not useful. Add location, I put in Katoomba. Add a picture, I just chose a generic pink picture to put up. And I can also choose a Facebook page to cross-post to. But here's what's interesting. Instead of clicking publish, press the downward arrow, click schedule. And if you have staff or interns, or maybe the teenagers are helping you put together your content diary, your content calendar for Instagram, you can ask them to save it as a draft and that you will approve everything that goes out. So you'll look at all the drafts and then approve them to go out. But I'm going to choose schedule. I'm going to say they can go out tomorrow. This is, I don't know how many times I've re-recorded this, but it's going out on August the 12th at 10:48 p.m. And then I just click schedule and it will sit in a library ready to go out at 10:48 tomorrow. So a lot of people ask me, how do you schedule posts from Instagram? How can I do it from my desktop feed? Can I set up 10 or 20 or 30 or more to go out while I'm on holidays? This is a great free tool that's built in to Facebook and Instagram, meaning that they're not having to vet partners and you'll be assured that your stuff will be seen by just as many people as if you'd done it manually. But hopefully it will save you some time. Have a look around Creator Studio. You get all your insights in there, so all your analytics, your inbox is there so that you can see people who've responded to lead ads and surveys and giving you their email address and things like that. There's quite a lot of information in Creator Studio for you, but I wanted to finish this on a short, sharp, quick way of showing you how to schedule an Instagram post going across to Instagram, then clicking on create post once it's purple, and then don't forget to choose schedule down here when you've created it, and then it's ready to go out. There are little issues that are currently happening with the Creator Studio because it's such a new tool that they're rolling out new things all the time, so we have to be aware of that. My name is Laurel Papworth and I'm a social media strategist. For some time I've been planning on putting together a video series for the Blue Mountains businesses and organisations, and I would really like to thank the Blue Mountains City Council for stepping up and helping to sponsor this short video series on social media for businesses, organisations, not-for-profits. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your sponsorship. Thank you.